Hey everyone, welcome to the Contreras review channel. And in this channel, what we do is we review products and we let you decide if you want to buy them or not, or if they're even worth it or not. And today we're going to be reviewing this wallet right here that was sent to us by this brand Vinich, and it was sent to us as a gift for us to review. So let's go ahead and get into it, and I'm going to be showing you the features of this wallet and what I think about it. The first thing you see here is this pocket, so you can definitely put in some cash, any cards that you want on here or in here. And once you open it, you're going to have a spot here to put cards, and you can put a card here, you can put your cash, your driver's license, whatever you want to put on there, you can definitely do that. And over here you can see that there's two more pockets that you can put cards in. And what I really like about this wallet is it has this little secret pocket right here, and you can definitely add more cards here or hide your cash in there, whatever it is that you want to do. And as you can see, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 magnets here, and you can see it's stitched up, so the quality is good. Obviously over time it is gonna start coming apart, but that's just normal in wallets, right? It's not gonna last forever, just normal wear and tear. And this does have a RFID blocking built in this. So if you don't know what that is, there's machines that people use to steal your card information. They just have to get near you and whatever, they use all the technology of the machine, but this actually has to block that. And this is color purple. There's definitely other colors that you can get. And so this here is the magnet or the MagSafe for your phone. So I just want to show you how it works here. And see, you heard that, it just clips. And while it's on your phone, you can definitely open it. One thing I do want to point out is that sometimes it can be hard to take the card out, so you do struggle a little bit. In my opinion, I like it just because it's way harder for someone to take it out. If they're trying to, I don't know, whatever, steal it or do whatever with it, it's not as easy. You do have to kind of squeeze your finger in the back and take it out, but you can still take it out. You're not going to be struggling that much, like 5 minutes. I know you don't want to be struggling at the moment when you're about to take the card out, but just take it out ahead of time and you'll be fine. Overall, my opinion, I really think this is a great wallet. I would definitely keep it. One thing that I want you to keep in mind though is that it depends on your case. So I think if you have like a plastic case kind of like this one, it will affect the magnet, and it will affect the strength of the magnet, how strong it is. There are special cases for your phone that you can buy that are MagSafe, that they help keep that magnet straight or strength, and that'll help. But as far as the magnet being strong, you can see here it is pretty strong. You can open it without it falling down. So you decide if you want to buy it or not. In my opinion, I definitely think it's worth it. You have plenty of space here. It just depends on your case as well, but let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you think it's worth it or not. And if there's any other products that you want us to review, make sure you comment down below and we'll definitely try to get to it. And make sure you like this video. Help us out, like this video and subscribe to the channel. And we're going to be bringing more reviews of different products to you. So let us know what you think. And thank you guys so much for watching.